As a continuation of 5 must-have piping tips for beginners, this video will give you 5 more piping tips to add to your collection of cake decorating tools. If you're new to my channel and want to learn more about cake decorating and improve your buttercream skills, be sure to subscribe. So let's get started. First, we have tip number 352. This tip comes in handy when you need to pipe small leaves. We have a few different kinds of leaves here. Starting from the left, we have regular leaves, ruffled leaves, and stand-up leaves. And finally, a piped border of leaf-like elements on the right. Our next tip is number 233. Now this tip is commonly referred to as the grass tip, and it's a great tip for easily adding texture to any cake or cupcake. Depending on the amount of pressure and how long you squeeze your piping bag, you can create these effects. Here's an example of short grass or moss. Here's longer grass, and if you squeeze a bit longer, you'll get an effect that looks like hair. Our next tip is number 47. This is our typical basket weave tip. It's a fairly flat tip with one side having teeth which create ridges and the other side being completely straight. The basket weave on the left shows the technique piped with the toothed side up, and the basket weave on the right shows the technique piped with the straight side up. I walk you through the basket weave piping technique in more detail in this video, which is linked in the description below. These next piping tips can be used on cupcakes. Are you enjoying this video? Is this information helpful to you? If so, go ahead and let me know by hitting the like button now. Our next tip is number 230. Now this tip is also referred to as the Bismarck tip. It can be used to fill donuts and eclairs, but in this video I'm filling a cupcake with it. Now watch how easy this is. So how much icing is in this cupcake? Let's cut it open and see. Our next tip is number 1A. As you can see, it's a larger tip, a lot like our 1M and 2D tips. Using my easy buttercream, I pipe icing onto the top of this cupcake in a couple of different ways. A link to this video is in the description box below. There's a lot of information in my first piping tips video, so go back and watch it if you haven't already done so. So let's chat. Which of these additional piping tips would you like to try first? I love cakes with a lot of texture, so I'm really into the grass tip right now. Let me know your favorite in the comments below. If you enjoyed this video, go ahead and hit the like button now. And if you want to start your cake decorating journey and build upon your skills, subscribe to my channel for more helpful tips, tutorials, and product reviews. As always, thanks for watching.